AngularJS is a JavaScript framework used to build dynamic and interactive web applications. It was developed by Google to make web development easier and more efficient. AngularJS allows developers to extend HTML with new attributes called directives. These directives help create reusable components and make the code more organized. One of the main features of AngularJS is two-way data binding, which means that when data changes in the model, the view updates automatically, and vice versa. This reduces the need for extra code and saves time. Another important concept in AngularJS is MVC architecture, which stands for Model, View, and Controller. This structure helps separate application logic, user interface, and data, making applications easier to maintain and test. AngularJS is commonly used to create single-page applications where the page does not reload every time the user interacts with it. This results in a faster and smoother user experience. In conclusion, AngularJS is a powerful framework that helps developers build modern web applications with less effort and cleaner code. Thank you for listening.